The objective for this video is to learn how to find the test value for a chi-square goodness of fit test. In a previous video, we learned how to find the critical value in a chi-square goodness of fit test that used political polling results to test whether a particular election will vary from the registration proportions for a certain city. Step 3 is to calculate the chi-square test value. The chi-square test value is calculated by finding the difference in each category between the observed and expected values, squaring that difference, and then dividing it by the expected value. We would then sum this quantity for each category. If the expected values do not vary much from the observed values, then this total would remain small. However, if there is a significant difference between the observed and expected values, this chi-square value will become large. If the chi-square value is greater than the critical value, then we should reject the null hypothesis. Performing this calculation for each category, we find a chi-square test value of 10.044. Step 4 is to make a decision. Since our chi-square value is greater than the critical value, we should reject the null hypothesis. Step 5 is to state our conclusion. Since the evidence leads us to reject the null hypothesis, our conclusion would be that the party proportions for this particular election vary from the registration proportions. In this video, we learned how to find the test value for a chi-square goodness of fit test.